Hi guys, thanks for watching this UK Pro Diagnostics video. We are in the cockpit of a Mercedes-Benz E-Class and we're going to demonstrate the iCarSoft CR+, diagnosing and resetting this check engine light. I'll put the link to this kit and our email address in the link below. So, click onto Diagnose first of all, click onto Scan, and we'll select Benz. And from here we really just need to select our specific vehicle. So scroll down, we're looking for E-Class 212. Hope you can hear me over the rain. So there it is, E-Class. So it's a wagon we're looking for, diesel engine, right hand steering, and it's a E250 CDI. So we'll click manual select because we need to select the system we wish, and it's the motor electronics. So it should allow us then to read the fault codes. So read DTC, and it's giving us two faults here. So the first one is P0113 intake air temperature sensor, and then it's P0103 mass airflow sensor. So we know it's a problem with the intake sensor. It's the mass airflow sensor which was at fault. We've put a new mass airflow sensor in, however we still have the check engine light and we still have the codes on screen. So what we're going to do is simply click out of here, scroll down to clear fault memory, OK, and when I click OK to this, keep one eye on the check engine light. There we go. Check engine light has now disappeared. On screen we have a message to say clear trouble code successfully. So it's all thanks to the iCarSoft CR+, which is available at UK Pro Diagnostics. As I say, I'll put a link to this product directly below this video in the comments section and in the description of the video, and I'll also put our email address in there as well in case you need to contact us or have any further questions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.